Hello, 大家好. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. I'm sure you know what this is. Yeah, now we are somewhere in China, which is at the HQ of WPL RC. So I came here a few days ago, and then the first time I saw the FJ40 or the C34, I instantly fell in love. I know a lot of you guys is a fan of FJ40, but I myself is not. But the first time I saw it, my feeling was, Google translation says excited, but a more accurate way to describe my feeling when I saw this was 激动. My feeling was 激动. When I saw it, I was very emotional because it looks very, very good. And then you look at the blue color with the black color contrast, and then whatever photos you saw online can't justify how great this looks. So that's the first point why I loved it so much. The second one would be the metal upgrades. You can see a very obvious, very significant upgrade in the quality, in terms of quality. And for this kind of price, at a renminbi 398, there was a live stream in China last week, and one of the audience he asked a question. He is saying that it's impossible to have metal upgrades at this price point. And then the live stream guy say, well, here it is. And then when they told me that, in fact, WPL RC boss is behind me now, watching. And then I also asked him, do you make money from this model? He said no. So for this price, I think it's USD 92, if I'm mistaken. I saw on our Facebook group, someone mentioned. You tell me when you got the car whether it's worth it or not. So after this part, I'll show you a close-up of this, and just to let you know that both of these, they are the C34 KM version, which K means kit, M means metal, and there are two colors, the blue and yellow, and this is the one with the roof removed, which improve the climbing, the rock crawling performance a lot more, even better. Well, this one has a higher center of gravity, and later I'm going to show you some of the tips as well. So come back again on in terms of value for money, because there's no profit in this. In fact, the boss says he may not produce the KM version anymore because there's so much metal upgrade in it, and there's no profit. So it's either they stop production or they increase the price. So get it quick, instead of waiting. I personally guarantee that you won't regret getting this. You'll see that it's really beautiful. It's something very desirable, and although previous version has all these quality complaints, problems, but in these two, you'll see the significant quality improve. Trust me on that. So I'll give you a close-up look now. Okay, so now let's look at the blue color one, the C34 KM version. It's very, very dirty because we took it to the beach yesterday to do some video shooting and also testing the performance. So I'll give you a closer look of the body shell. Let's start from the front. Okay, see there's a aesthetically made engine cover, and then this is where you put your receiver and also the battery. Beneath it is a servo and the ESC. Then this is actually flippable, and look at this, the seat is adjustable. My god, steering turnable as well. There's also a this is the stick shift. I think probably this is for normal one, and then this is for the 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive shifting. There's also detail on the dashboard, and then you can actually open the doors. Okay, and there are seats at the back as well, and then there's also number plate. And one more thing, they did something very funny using something from my country. Okay, this is the Chinese the decal for the transport over here, the vehicle here. This is the one in Malaysia. This is our road tax in Malaysia. He asked me to take a photo of my road tax, and then he just duplicated it and then put a decal on it. So which essentially, this car is bearing the registration number of my actual car. And then On Facebook, I also mentioned to you guys some of the points, what are the changes, the improvement on the new car. First thing is, of course, I mean the body shell is very beautiful. And then I mentioned adjustable seat. And then there's a 25 gram servo in it, which is very powerful. And you can see now the steering travel 45 degrees. And it's very powerful. I'm going to show you later with it power on. The KM version comes with the 370 motor, speed reducer in it. The knuckle, the steering knuckle, at the center, they're actually using a metal sleeve, a copper one, instead of just plastic. Look at the ground clearance. See, look at the angle of the drive shaft. With the new design of the rail and also the gearbox, there's a lot more ground clearance over here. See, very high. That's why some of you may have seen the video of it climbing 3 boxes. It's able to climb wall straight, vertical, like that. Also, the drum brake. At the back, there's a static drum brake. Okay, and it's made of metal. It's made to look like a drum brake. Of course, it's not functional, just aesthetic, but then it's very caring that they actually made it in metal. All the axles has ball bearing. I'm not sure if we can show it in this video, but I'll attach a photo. Okay, that makes it very silent. We drove it at the beach yesterday and then we'll keep saying, why is the car so silent? Is this a petrol car or is it a diesel car? So another thing is the fender grille. See, look at the fender grille. Wonder if you can see the lines over there. Okay, there's no cheating. Okay, they make real grille over here. You can see the slots here, even the engine cooling vents. Okay, so probably you can put fan over there if you have ESC at the side. Now I'll give you a closer look from this view. So at the front, you can see that 3 linkages over here. The longest one is the steering linkages, and this is the steering linkage, which is band one. Look at the shape; it's band. And then behind it is pen hut, the pen hut link. So in the box, you should receive a total of linkages. Why 10? Okay, first 1, 2, 3, and then for your info, on the chassis, it's not 8, it's only 7, because the rear has 4 linkages, the front only using 3. Okay, I'll give you another closer look again. Damn, a lot of dirt. So now the axle is, even the case is fully metal. You see, even the knuckle is metal, the universal shaft is also metal. These are of course all metal. The case, the gearbox case is plastic, but the gear in it is 2 metal gear. So the rear axle is also metal as well, the metal case, axle case. And the axle truss, they have made improvement on it because previously it's very easy to get broken or with too much stress or twist. So that's the bottom of the chassis. For your info. And then let's look at both of them. This is the yellow version. So this is what you're supposed to get. Okay, with the roof, the rear panel. So it's the same thing beneath. All metal upgrades. Now some fun fact about the latest WPL model. One of it is the cost of certain part, and it's a copper ball end. Okay, so according to him, I mean, I think it's not convenient to disclose what's the actual cost of each of this ball end. I'll show you here, ball end on the linkages, but it costs 15% of the whole car. Okay, there are total of I think 18 rod end, ball end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it costs 15% of the total car. Imagine that, okay? 10 of this cost more than the actual case. So some of you guys know that the boss of WPL RC also in the Facebook groups, and then you know, I mean, you guys also communicate with him. You know that he cares about the feedback and also the quality, the complaints with the previous models. So trust me, when you see this model, you'll notice the improvement they made based on feedback from you guys. The last part will be a quick tips for you guys. You can see the ride height difference of both these two, and also the suspension. In fact, in this model, he actually shortened the spring by a little bit. He cut both the top and bottom of each of his 4 springs and make it softer. Okay, this is the stock one is harder. Okay, but I prefer this one. Okay, it's softer. You can see the motion of the suspension, and then I would prefer there's more articulation. This is a slightly stiffer. Okay, this is a quick tip, and then that I'd like to share with you guys as well. So there you go, the close-up view, the detail view of WPL RC latest model WC34KM. Hope you like it. And the last part will be a message from WPL RC. He would like to thank you all for the great support of WPL RC product. He can see it. And then a message from him is that hope you guys can continue to support WPL RC product, because you know that recently there are imitation direct, 100% imitation of their product, and they did get affected a bit. Hope you guys can continue to support them, because they make really great models. They really care about how good it looks, quality, performance, everything. In fact, I can tell that they really spend a lot of time in R&D in making them better. And he even brought me to the production line, tooling and molding factory, and then I can see, there are a lot of consideration into it when making this. For example, the fine adjustment. Okay, you see this one can actually hold itself in its own position, which require a lot of testing with a different tolerance to make it good. So where else those people who copy, I'm sure you know. Okay, that this is a very common problem in China, where people copy each other, brand copy each brand, but those who copy, they don't, there's no cost to them in terms of R&D, right? They just simply take one and copy, and then and sell, make profit out of it. But for example, for this model, you think yourself again, this kind of price, okay, can you get a better model or equivalent model with such upgrades and quality out there? If you buy the normal version, the plastic version, and upgrade by yourself separately, it costs even more. So hope you guys can continue to support WPL, because business is still business. They have to make money, they have to be profitable to continue making more models for you guys. Even though I know their profit is very, very low, because the first time when I got my B16 and the C14, when I held it in my hand, I'm asking myself, how the hell is it possible that they will make such a good product at such a low price? And this is even not much higher with such result and quality and performance. And from me, I would like to thank the boss of WPRC for his great hospitality for the last few days. Took me to many places, especially to nature. We did off-roading as well in actual full-scale car, 1.1 with no road. Okay, we were literally driving on very muddy, very bad off-road to some very beautiful mountain, also to some very old villages. One of it is a Fujian mud house, which is a UNESCO heritage building. I really had fun over here, so thanks to them again for the great experience in China, as well as thank you all for following my channel. If you like it, please like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye.